Welcome back in Tech AVP channel. So today's topic is all about the operator. In last tutorial we discussed about the variables, typecasting, and today we are going to discuss about the operator. Really important concept in the programming. In every programming, operator plays very important role. If you want to be perform some actions, then operator will be used. Okay. So in today's tutorial we'll discuss about the how many types of operator and how these operators can perform the actions. Okay, so let's start. But going to before next step, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. So guys, let's start. Okay, so first thing is operator are the special symbol. Operators are the special symbol. Okay, operators are the special symbol like this one. These are the special symbol. Okay, that perform some actions. Okay, and the first operator is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See this one, a plus b equals to 15. If we want to be add some 2 value, 3 value, 5 value or 10 value, then we can use addition symbol, plus symbol. If we want to do some subtraction, then we can use minus. If we want to be multiply, then we can use multiplication star symbol. Okay, plus symbol, minus symbol, multiplication symbol, division and the modulus. Okay, the next operator is unary operator. Unary operator is work only one operand. Only one operand means one part. Okay, one part. See, suppose we have value a equals to 10 and b equals to 5. Got? Okay, here if I have to be do some calculation, plus a, what's the value? A value is 10. Okay, then this one, then the result is 10. But the place, what we can do, that place plus a equals to how much? It's not 10, then it will be 11. Why? Because this plus is added here. Is called post increment and pre increment. Also the same for the decrement. Got it? And the logical not, a is greater than b, false. Okay, unary operator. The next one operator is assignment operator, where we assign one value to another. Okay, here we are assigning a to b. Suppose we have two value, a equals to 10 and b equals to 5. Now we are assigning a equals to b. So what a is value equal to? Then a value becomes 10. Or if we have to be b equals to a, then it will be 5. Okay, got it? Where we assign one value to another is called assignment operator. Then relation operator, where we perform some comparison. Okay, a equal to b, a value equals to 10 and b value equals to 5. Can a and b are equal? No, false. Can a is not equal to b? True. A greater than b? True. A less than b? False. A greater than equals to b? True. Yeah. 10 greater than equals to 5. A less than equals to b? False. Okay. This is relational operator where we combine two values. Next one is a logical operator. We have to perform some logical on the Boolean values. Okay. Suppose we have two values, a equals to 10 and b equals to 5. Here see carefully. First one is a logical AND operator. 10 greater than 5 and AND a greater than 0. Okay, so is this true? Let's come on the first condition. This will true. A greater than 5, a greater than 5 because value is 10 greater than 5. True. And means yes. And okay. A greater than 0. True. Okay. Second one is or. Okay. Or third one is logical not operator. False. Okay. I hope you are getting the logical operator. Okay. The next one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator works on the zeros and ones. If a value equals to 5, then the value this one, b equal to 3, then the value is equal to this one. Okay. Here we can perform right shift and the left shift as well. Unassigned right shift also we can perform. Okay. Next one is a conditional operator. Conditional operator is also known as a ternary operator. Conditional operator is also known as a ternary operator. This operator consists of three operand. Three operand means three part. First operand, second operand, and third operand. Evaluate Boolean expression. The goal of operator is decided which value should be assigned to the variable. Which value assigned to the variable. Okay, practically we can do this one. Suppose we have a and b. Okay, then we can define a variable int a, int x equals to a greater than b. Okay, question mark a colon b. And what will be the outcome? The outcome will be present this one, 10 greater than 5. True. Then next operand, what let's say, condition a colon 10 colon b. Then output will be find this way. This is called ternary operator. So this one is the theoretical part. Let's do practically. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me navigate to the editor. Let me open the navigator. Okay, now we are in the editor, and the first one is, let's start with the assignment of arithmetic operator. Okay, the arithmetic operator is, say that let's initialize two value. Suppose we have two value, int a equals to 10. Okay, in the last tutorial we already discussed about this one, how we can initialize a variable. Data type, this one is a data type, this is a variable name, and this one is a value. Okay, int b equals to 5. Now I want the addition of these two values. How I can perform? So in that case, what I have to do, int c equals to a plus b. What result I will get? This is out. Addition of a and b. In which variable we kept this one? In the variable c we kept this one. Okay, so let me execute this one. Addition is 15. Same way, if you want to be let me replace this one, sum, replace, so that it will be easy to understand. Sum. Okay, int subtraction means minus. Okay, a minus b. Okay, same way, let me copy this one. Sub, it's called sub. Okay, subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Also the same way we can do the multiplication. Okay, here if I will, for the timing, if I am presenting this one, then what output I am getting? 50. 10 into 5, 50. Okay, the same way modulus we can also perform. Okay, same way we can perform modulus and division. Okay, so I hope you got the concept of the arithmetic operator. Now next one is the relational operator, where we can assign one value to another, where we have to perform comparison. Okay, suppose we have this one. Okay, we have two value a and b. And now what I'm doing, let me do one thing. Int relational equals to, okay, here what I have to do, I'm doing here this way, or also we can do this one using this one a, or let me directly print out this one. This one is a much better. Why I'm assigning this value sys out. Okay, sys out. Just give me a moment. Let me remove this one. Here a greater than b. Okay, a greater than b. A is greater than b. Is this true? No, it's completely false, because a is greater than b. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, because a value equal to 10 and b value is 5. Okay, so here what I have to do, a greater than b, and let me print out this statement. True, a is greater than b. Suppose here value is 50. Okay, then it will become false, where we have to be compare some values, comes under the relation operator. Also about the logical operator, if we talk about logical operator, so what we can do, just let me copy this one and remove this statement. Here what I have to do, a greater than b. Okay, a greater than b, and logical operator b greater than 0. What output I will get? Please comment. Okay, so the output we are getting here, a greater than b, and operator, and b greater than 0. Guess guys, what output I am getting here. Okay, so let me execute this one. False. We are getting false. We are getting false. Why false? The reason is behind it. Because b is greater than this one, and or a greater than b, but here value is 5, then it will become true. Got it? Okay, and what is a ternary operator? In the ternary operator, what we have to do, suppose we have value is int, we can take a max, we have to take a variable max equals to a greater than b. Okay, a greater than b, question mark. Here 3 operand will work. Keep in mind, here 3 operand will work. First operand, not the second operand, and this one is third operand. Okay, and what output we are getting here? Let me print sys out and max. Okay, let me run this one. 10, we are getting 10. Okay, because we have to compare with the a is greater than, yes, 2, this one is 2, that's why we are getting. Suppose we have here 115. Okay, 115, then greater than value, which one is you have bigger, which one is a max in both the value? It will be for the ternary operator. And this one is a most of the time interviewer ask you, can you find the leap year? So in that way you can use this logic to find the leap year. I was already created a video for the leap year. Please go through this video so you get better understanding about this one. So this one is all about the operator. What are the operator, how we use operator, and what are the importance of operator. Please stay tuned to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. Thank you. Have a nice day.